Apart from the Mariakani Weighbridge or the Mariakani cluster, we are also managing the adjacent road network, which is 1022 kilometers. That is from Voi to Taveta to Mombasa to Malindi and Lamu and Lunga Lunga. So we normally go around, get these vehicles that are not going to, or they are not passing through the Weighbridges. We weigh them using mobile Weighbridge. The overloaded one, we detain them in the nearest police station. The one which comply, we allow them to proceed with their journey. So this is the setup of mobile Weighbridge. What you are seeing here is the Weighbridge, the two plates and the mats. We normally display 4 mats to get the good leveling of the ground. So the purpose of mobile operation is to control overloading on the adjacent road network.